Hey, my name's Jerome and welcome to Gentlemen Becoming. In this episode, I picked 3 popular Chanel fragrances and we pit them up against each other. I asked friends, I asked family, and we get a clear winner. Let's get started. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna spray these 3 fragrances. They're all by Chanel, and the idea is to pick out which one is the best one. But when you come up with your opinion, don't say it yet, because I don't want you guys to be influenced subconsciously
by each other.
Yeah, by each other. You know what I mean? Brush.
She loves coffee. I don't. There's no coffee in there.
Yeah, there is.
Okay, there you go. I don't smell any alcohol.
Okay.
Alright. So, I can't hide the bottles from you. It's okay if you look at them or whatnot, but we're just trying to figure out which one smells best. And this is the top note. So at the opening, what smells best, okay? So,
Okay.
Here, I'll hand you this one.
The first.
Go ahead.
The first thing.
Yep, and go ahead and reset. Same with you. And if you need to smell them again, that's totally okay too. I believe this is the only one you haven't smelled yet, Bridget.
So the platinum
Yeah.
Chanel is a little too. Has a little bit too like of a point into my nose. Like it hits you too hard. The BLEU de Chanel, I don't know how to say it.
That's okay, blue. Yeah, BLEU DE CHANEL.
Has like a nice, like even smell, and then it has a little hint on the end, which I like. Which I don't know, maybe that's my preference. And then the Allure is kind of like, it hits you, it smells good, and then it's kind of like a ending, like hit to your nose. And I'm not into that. I like the blue.
Gotcha. What about you, Bridget?
I totally agree with everything he said, because this one's, although it like is strong, which might be good for you, because it's like this one would last longer maybe, because it is really strong, and then this one's like almost too light, but this one's like a good middle, and I just like how it like sits in your nose in a weird way.
Sure.
Like this one's almost too heavy and this one's almost too light, but this one's like it's like smooth and creamy in a weird way.
Okay.
So I like this one a lot.
So you think BLEU DE CHANEL gets it for sure?
Yeah.
Is that's
that
what
one
you said
is
too,
my
right?
that one's my favorite personally.
BLEU DE CHANEL's
Can
good.
I smell it one more time? Yeah.
It smells like the end of a day at a beach with
Yeah.
a girl in a hotel room.
Oh.
So it's
You know what to get him for Christmas time, right?
Yeah. I did that for our holiday.
Ooh. Okay, so BLEU DE CHANEL gets the win for top notes for the beginning. Now we'll just chill for a little bit,
Okay.
and then we'll just leave this like this, all set up, not recording, like we'll shut it off, and then we'll come back in like half an hour.
Yeah.
Because it's on paper, it evaporates differently than it does on skin. But we'll come back in like half an hour or so, and we'll smell them again. And they're gonna smell just a little bit different. Still reminiscent. Okay, and just hold your opinions till the end, okay? Oh, let me grab some coffee too. You should smell coffee there. So now that you've got coffee, go ahead and smell the next one. This one's blue. Are you gonna smell?
Wow. Okay.
Alright, so now you've smelt them all. At this point, they've already sat on the paper. There's no alcohol. There's dried up on there, and there's still, if I'm right, it's still pretty, yeah, it's still powerful. So, which one, out of all 3 of them, which one is Your least favorite.
Okay. I would have to say this one is my least favorite, which was really shocking to me because when I first smelled it, I was like, oh wow, this is actually like really nice, and I felt like it could have been a unisex type of like cologne. I thought like anybody could really pull it off.
Right.
And then I went on to this one, and let me just smell it again so I could get my thoughts. Okay, so this one reminds me of like if you were to walk into like a Bath and Body Works store and you like, you know how they have like salt like scented stuff,
Yeah.
and like it reminds me of like a soft like sea type of vibe, which I really liked about it. But I would have to say my favorite would be this one. And this one is because when I smell it, it's really unique. But it's like you could smell like the ocean, but like at the same time too, it has like a soft feel, like scent, not like strong. It's really like it's really nice. Like I can't really explain it. It just gives me a vibe of like the ocean.
Smells good.
And you know, get a good whiff of it. Don't just take your time with it. We got nothing but time, you know. Even when resetting your nose, if you just want to take a second, it's cool. So, which one? I don't know. Which one do you like least?
Least, it's probably this one, the Ego one.
Yeah, Egoiste. Okay.
For me, it smells a little bit like shampoo.
Yeah. Okay.
That's
totally.
what it smells like.
Soapy, right?
Yeah, it's just soapy. I mean,
I dig it.
don't like it that much.
Totally. And which one's your favorite?
I'd like both of them, but if I had to pick like a first place, I would probably pick Allure.
What?
This one smells like a little more like sweeter, I guess I could say, and this one smells more like a little bit more masculine to me.
Okay. Yeah. I can see that.
So that's why I like it. But I like both of these
Yeah.
regardless. They both smell pretty good. This one, not so much. But it's not bad. Like,
Sure.
It smells good either way, because who doesn't want to smell soapy? and
Yeah, it doesn't want to
clean?
smell clean,
But
right?
yeah, so
It reminds me of like barbershop smell.
yeah,
Like
yeah. That's a
shaving
good
cream or
yeah,
something.
That's a good way
You
to
know?
describe it.
One of the main notes in this one is rosemary. One of the main notes in this one is grapefruit. That's that sweetness that you're smelling, that
Okay.
citrus, you know. And if you were to smell it again and think of that, of what I'm telling you, you'll probably get a little hint of that. And one of the main notes in this is like mint. This one's got like grapefruit, patchouli, incense, you know.
Okay.
And then this one, I can't remember everything, but I know it's got like floral notes in it, metallic notes, and rosemary. Those are like the main players.
It's not too strong, like too overbearing. Like sometimes you spray on it, it's just too. It's just like nice mellow.
Yeah. What about you, Mom? Which one do you like the best?
I like blue.
Blue?
Yes.
Why?
I like the blue because I like that fragrant smell. It has to it very firm and strong. It has that macho smell where, you know, you pass by a woman with it and you just melt.
No, it's good, huh? Yeah, it's real good.
Yes. Yes, it's very good. I like it very much. You know, it's not strong. It's not wet. It's dry. Very nice. Very nice. It's not soft, but it's not strong either. It's just right
It's
in the
something
middle,
that-
perfect blend.
Right,
It's something that,
catches your attention, but it's not overbearing.
yes,
Maybe. Okay.
it does catch my attention.
For sure. Yeah. Oh, what was your least favorite one, Mom?
Chanel, the first one.
They're all Chanel, but which
sorry.
one? Oh, this one?
Yeah,
Egoiste.
yes.
Yeah. Why? What's wrong
It's-
with it?
To me, I smell the odor of it. you know, the texture of it, I don't smell it at all.
Yeah, even after you smell the coffee?
Yeah, you do. No, I don't smell it at all. So this to me doesn't work. I mean, a man or wherever passed by, I don't smell it.
No, nothing. You remember that day we went to, I went with you to take Izzy to the doctor appointment before he got his surgery?
Yes.
And the lady behind the desk was like, you smell so good. She got all like with that kind of stuff.
Yes.
And I was wearing that one.
Well, I don't know. Maybe you don't spray enough.
No, that's not it. It's
'Cause I don't smell it.
yeah.
I guess not everybody could wear this.
Well, all the fragrances smell different when
Yes.
they're on your skin. You know, yeah, I can smell. It's amazing.
It's nice, but
Sure.
they don't do nothing for it.
What about you, Dad? What's your least favorite one?
The least favorite one to me is the blue. I didn't really feel it too much.
Nah, not too much. Not up your alley.
Yeah, it's alright. It's not too. It's not.
Yeah, it's just you don't like it. Yeah, nothing crazy, right? Do you dislike it or?
No,
No,
you know it's wearable, but
Sure,
it's
but out of the three?
out of the three, it'd be that would be in the back burner. Like
Yeah, sure.
I probably the Allure I use once in a while, to go out because it's more. But the blue I just use like around with.
Right. Yeah.
It ain't,
So you're saying that you would use the blue as a daily base
like
just
the
to
quick,
be around?
just the quick,
to
Now, like
supermarket
the special or more special, I'll put the Allure on.
Okay, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I get
And
what
then
you're
the
saying.
second would be the
Platinum.
Egoiste.
Egoiste.
Yeah, Egoiste. I did not like the blue that much.
No, not so much.
It's
No.
like one like,
I would do blue than the Allure.
Hey, thanks for watching this video, guys. So as you know, BLEU DE CHANEL was a clear winner here. This is the Eau de Parfum concentration, and I gotta tell you, it's something special. It's really unique. It's got solid lasting power, and it's just really good. It's so classy overall, you know what I mean? It's classic, really, it's timeless. I can see this being around in 10 more years. The other ones, maybe not. I know they've already been around for a while, but just when you smell all three in comparison, BLEU DE CHANEL really is something special. For me though, I find that it really just depends on my mood and the weather and what it is that I'm going out for. I've gotten compliments with all three, and I've fallen in love with all three. My least favorite is probably going to be Platinum Egoiste because the scent itself isn't really wow. It just smells clean. It's reliable too. It lasts a really long time on my skin. But the other two, Allure Homme Sport Extreme and BLEU DE CHANEL, the Parfum concentration or Eau de Parfum concentration, I just feel like I get more compliments with them. You know, they're more universally liked in general. So if I had to pick a favorite between the two or between the three, it's kind of probably be BLEU DE CHANEL as well. Like I said, because it's just so different. It's attention grabbing, you know what I mean? It's so unique. And even though there's a lot of blue fragrances out there in the market, BLEU DE CHANEL, like I said, it's just so good. If you've seen my other video on top 3 fragrances to get started, I mentioned BLEU DE CHANEL, and I think I did the same exact thing where I was like, oh, it's so good. And I think I even alerted you about the bias. So naturally, Chanel is the house that I choose for my first battle. Figures, right? Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't, if you're looking for more content. I'm not as active on there anymore because I'm putting a lot of time into YouTube and I'm learning as I go. But I'll definitely be on there and putting content out. If you like this video, please subscribe. It definitely helps me out, makes me feel good, and I'm looking to help people. So if people are subscribing, that means that they're getting value out of my videos, and that's exactly what I'm trying to put in. So I really care about you guys. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon.